return
to the great flame of fire.
Allow me to introduce you to one of the best names I've watched, Fire Force.
なめるなよ。第二世代か。撃て、撃て。
250 years after an event called the Great Cataclysm. During this event, the world was set ablaze and many nations were wiped out, with the exception of the Tokyo Empire in Japan and a few others. There's a disease or virus or blunder that causes incidents of spontaneous human combustion, where individuals affected tend to demon-like creatures called infernos. Shinra Kusakabe, a third-generation pyrokinetic who has the ability to ignite flame from his feet at will, joins the Special Force Company 8, a company in which its core goal is to find the cause of spontaneous human combustion. The journey through hell is dark and hot. Can Fire Force Company 8 handle the heat? Check it out and find out.